triads. You are very welcome to this channel. You are very welcome to this channel. You are very welcome to this channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to play left hand bass on the keyboard. How to play left hand bass on the keyboard. How to play left hand bass. If you can see, I was playing some bass. But on my previous video I did a left hand bass. But today I'm going to explain very deep. I'm going to go very deep. And today's method is episode 2. Today's method is different. So if you are getting confused, you can go to the old video and watch that previous video. Then you watch this one and you understand it better. So how to play left hand bass on the keyboard. How to play left hand bass on the keyboard. You see, on the bass guitar, we have something like octave. So the left is going to handle that octave. Do, your do, and the octave. You see, when you are playing bass guitar, there are some tricks in the bass guitar. You see, and the re, do, re, the do. If you want to go to la, this is the la, and this is the so, and the do, and the fa, they come to do. So this is do, fa, re, so, do. So the tricks behind the bass playing. You see, sometimes in church, if you are playing bass and you don't know these tricks, it's going to screw you. So today I'm going to give you that tricks to make your bass playing very easier. So with all this chord, sometimes on the bass, during praises on the bass, there are some chord progression. If you go with the left hand, you are going to play off. There are some chord, especially this kind of fa and the re and the so. Yes, if you don't play them and put them at the right place, you go off. So let's take something. You see, I came to do. I go to re. I came to do. There was re, do. You see, so the re and the do, I was using it. If you play bass guitar, sometimes you have the re and the do that you'll be going like this. It's on the bass. So I'm teaching you the re bass on the keyboard. So you see, if you want to back, you go to fa. This is fa, but on the bass I will play re. This is re, but this will play fa. So this will play re and this will play fa. Do, they come to do. So the so, this is the so. But you go to the re again, re and the so. You see, so the bass I was playing the do and the re, and this I was playing the fa and the do and the so and the do. But on my previous video, I taught you how to end song. I taught you how to end the song. So today we are not going to discuss about that. We are doing the advanced one. So I'm teaching you the advanced. So if you want to know how to end the song, then you have to watch the previous video where I taught the bass how to end the song, and you understand that one better. Okay. So you see, in this situation, before a keyboardist, you go to fa. Then maybe it's copyright, but most the praises, sometimes the fa, you play the re, they come to do, the so, you come to the re, so the bass will play, this so, this is re, you see, they come to the do, strokes, you are going to go far in your bass playing on the keyboard. So let's use it. Let's use it and see how it's going to sound. Are you ready? You see the 5, the keyboard is the backing for the left, for the right you go to fa, but for the left you play the re. The left to play the re chord. That is G minor. Your G minor, your G minor, your G minor. You are playing key F, so your G minor. That is your re, the G minor. That is the second, your second note. You see, when they come to do the one note, the tonic. They go to so, the so on the bass. Don't play this so. No, it will not sound well. You come to the re again. You see, the wire case here, they come to do. You see, so on this whole scenario I'm teaching you, the right is going to play the fa, do, so, mi, and then the bass will be going do, re, do. The so you can then, if the song is going to so your 5, you can go to the re. If the song is coming to the 1, you can come to the do. If the song is going to the 4, the fa, you go to the re. You see the do. But if maybe the song is going to la, the la, you can choose to go to the la. So once in a while you go to the so, then come to the do. And we are going to play perfect bass with this tutorial. It's going to help you play perfect bass. Some people don't know how to play the bass. If they are playing no, he's playing it like the backing. He's going to fa, they come to do, they go to so. No, if you play the bass like that, it will not sweet. It will look the same. You are playing the same thing. Have you seen it sounding the same thing? The left and the right is sounding the same thing. Don't let them sound the same thing. So instead of you play, you play. Oh my, oh my, You see, so the bass I'm teaching you, these are the techniques. Don't go and play more yes. If the song go to the fa, it will go, then the bass is playing at the fa. No, it will not sound well. It will never sound well. If you so at the fa, the right will go to the fa, but the left will come to the re. The do, the right will come to the do, and the left will also come to the do. That is the tonic. The so, the 5. The right will go to the so, but the left will come to the re. They come to do, you see, they come to do. But if you go to the soul and this one go to the soul, have you seen? You are playing the same thing. You are playing the same thing. That is not how we play bass. That is not how we play bass. If you want to play a sweet bass, then follow this thing very carefully and it's going to help you. By the ending of the song, I taught it in the other previous video, but let me teach you that ending of the song. Like, so far me re re do go the wire because yeah my so far me re re do. By this ending of the song, I've done a very much tutorial on this ending of the song in my previous video. If you follow it, it's going to help you. So let's do it and see for the last time, then we will end our lesson for today. You see, the back, you know. Was playing it, Jehovah, you can't go Jehovah, you play far, you come to go, you come to so no, you are stretching yourself. You see, I did it very simple. Jehovah, I go to far, I go to rain, I come to go, Jehovah, I go to so, I go to rain here, I come to go, Jehovah, far, do Jehovah, rain, Jehovah, far, do Jehovah. I hope you understand what I have taught you. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you very much for watching. But please subscribe for more videos, and please like this video for me. Like it, and you can leave a comment and I will attend to your comment. Thank you very much for watching. But please subscribe for me. Bye.